In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Presenter View on a single monitor. This can be incredibly useful when you want to leverage PowerPoint's versatile presenting features, but have the limitation of using only one display. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this feature on a single screen setup. First, you need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This might be one you've crafted yourself or maybe a deck someone else shared with you. With your presentation ready, head over to the next step by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can navigate to the slideshow tab at the top of your PowerPoint window and click on From Beginning. This will start your presentation in full screen mode, allowing your slides to take center stage. Now that your slides are displayed in full screen mode, it's time to access the presenter view. Move your mouse to the bottom left corner of your screen. This will reveal the control icons that PowerPoint offers during a slideshow. Among these, you'll notice a small icon with three dots, often referred to as More Slideshow Options. Clicking on these three dots will bring up a menu with additional functionalities. From this menu, select Show Presenter View. In just a moment, you'll see that Presenter View opens up in a new window on your single screen. This interface is incredibly handy as it allows you to view your notes and navigate through your slides more seamlessly during your presentation. However, keep in mind that if your audience is viewing your screen directly, they will also see the presenter view. This could mean they catch sight of your notes and the upcoming slides, which might not be ideal in all scenarios. For a real-world presentation where you prefer that your audience only sees the slides and not the presenter view, typically a second monitor is required. However, if your virtual screen sharing settings in meeting applications like Zoom or Microsoft Teams can help, by setting it so only the slide portion of PowerPoint is shared, your notes remain private on your screen. This option is particularly useful in settings where a full dual monitor setup might not be feasible. It's perfect for informal sessions, quick use cases, or testing how your presentation flows. While it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, it's certainly an efficient trick to have up your sleeve for the appropriate situations. So there you have it, a simple way to harness the power of presenter view on a single monitor setup. Try it out in your next presentation and see how it adds that extra layer of control and finesse to your delivery. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.